the fastest, stable print and better cost efficiency, Lisheng high-end Flexo machine are all in Print China 2026. At the show, we present our 6+1 color Full-Servo CI Flexo prints with full-servo drive. Max running speed reach 500 meters per minute. No color shifts, no web break, even at full speed.
Equipped with non-stop splicing and turn rewind, it's able to continue roll change without stopping the press. The EPC automatic edge precision control keeps the web throughout the process, reducing material waste and increasing productivity.
With an independent varnish unit, both printing and varnish can complete it in single pass, enhancing the price, quality, and finish.
The Full-Servo intelligent control system is user-friendly, deliver precise color register, and ensure consistent printing stability. Special design for Flexo paper printing application.
This high-speed, efficient Flexo prints will be on display at booth E4B112, all in Print China, Shanghai, October 12 to 16. We sincerely welcome to visit our booth and discuss our cooperation with us.